Do you know how many SIM cards registered on your NIN? Are you also aware that any crime committed on a number registered on your NIN can put you in trouble? You don't know all these things. There's a way you can check every number that is being registered on your NIN. In this video, that's what I'm going to show you, how you can check all the numbers that are being registered on your NIN to avoid getting into issues you don't know about. Someone can also take a loan from a bank or from an app on your NIN in your name. Some might even go beyond the limit, registering a SIM card on your name simply because they have access to your NIN. So I'm going to show you in less than 1 minute how you can check all the numbers that are being linked to your NIN so that you can avoid future problems. So if you are new in my channel, I'm Mr. Urgent TV, and in this my channel, I teach people the tips, some Android tips they don't know about and how they can go about some things that used to go on their mobile phones. I help them concerning tech issues. So if it's something you are interested in, I urge you to hit that subscribe button to my channel so that anytime I drop a tutorial, you have access to it. So go ahead and enter your diepad. I enter my diepad. Die this code when you enter your diepad. Star 996 hash. Then you send on the SIM card you used to register your net or your NIN with. The SIM card you used to register your NIN with. Don't die in any other SIM card. Whether you are using Blue, any line you are using, you can use this same code. It does not change in any line. Then die on the SIM card you used to register your SIM card, your NIN with. I will die on my own here. When you die, you can see this option. The first one says submit NIN, visual NIN. Then look at that for view NIN status, the number 4. View NIN status. Select it. Just select this one. As you can see, I've selected 4. See it here. I've selected. Then I will send. When I send, look at the option. The first one says check NIN, check your NIN status. Say view numbers linked to your NIN. Go ahead because you want to know the numbers that are linked to your NIN. Then select number 2 here and send. Look at what they said. Yellow, your NIN details have been sent. Please check SIMs for details. Thank you for choosing it. So as you do this thing now, this people they will send your NIN details, the numbers registered to your SIM card. They will forward it to your SIM card. The numbers that you used to register that are registered on your NIN, they will forward it to you. So as you can see, they have sent it to me here. Let's go together and check it. Let me check my messages. If I open my messages here, as you can see, these are the numbers. See this message here. These are the numbers linked to my NIN. See it here. These are the numbers linked to my NIN. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 numbers are the ones that are linked to my NIN. So do this and save yourself from future wahala, future problems. Because as you can see, in less than 1 minute, I know the numbers that are linked to my line. So this can help you. Go now and check it on your NIN. And if you found out that there's a number linked to your NIN, meet your network provider to rectify the issue for you. Please subscribe to my channel for more tips.